Hi everyone. Welcome back to Ruhana Reviews. Today, I'll guide you through the basics of using GetResponse, perfect for beginners who want to master email marketing. And guess what? You can try GetResponse for free with the link in the description below. Ready? Let's get started. Once you log in, the first thing you'll see is the dashboard. This is your command center for managing contacts, creating emails, and tracking results. Let's begin by setting up your first contact list. Go to Tools and click on Contacts. Then, hit Create List. Give it a name. I'll call mine Demo List, and just like that, your first list is ready. Next, let's create an email. Head to Tools again and select Email Marketing. Click Create Newsletter. Now, add a title for internal reference. I'll call this one Demo Email. Link it to your new contact list, select the sender email, and set the subject line. For now, I'll use Welcome to my newsletter. Here's the fun part, designing your email. Click Design Message to open the template library. Choose from a variety of professional templates. Let's pick one. Customizing is simple, just click on text or images to edit. Replace the image with a free stock photo or upload your own. It's all drag and drop, so no design skills are needed. Before sending, always test your email. Use the spam check feature to ensure it doesn't end up in the spam folder. You can also preview your email to see how it looks on different devices. Once you're happy with your email, it's time to send. Choose to send it immediately or schedule it for later. Scheduling is great if you want your emails to go out at specific times for better engagement. And that's it. You've just sent your first email with GetResponse. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips. And remember, the free trial link for GetResponse is in the description below. Go ahead and try it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.